Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by gathering gloves, a bright flashlight, a small magnet, and a mirror on a stick. Once done, put on gloves to avoid leaving prints. Inspect the vehicle perimeter visually, under bumpers, wheel wells, and undercarriage, because trackers are often attached with magnets or zip ties. Make sure to photograph any unfamiliar devices and note wiring or antennae that don't match car components. Once you find a suspect item, don't remove it yet. Instead, record position. Then move to a closer hands-on check. You now perform a methodical hands-on sweep. Start with wheel removal or at least pry off hubcaps and inspect inside wheel wells and behind splash guards. Many devices hide there. Use the magnet to detect magnetic mounts and follow any wires. If wiring leads into the car, it may be hardwired. Inside, pull seat rails, lift carpets slightly, and check under the dashboard and trunk linings. If a device emits sound or blinks, note frequency and pattern. This helps identification and evidence collection later. You finish by documenting everything thoroughly. Take multiple photos, timestamp them, and then remove any non-permanent device carefully. Keep it in a sealed bag. Once removed, scan the car with your phone and an RF detector. Make sure no signal remains and that vehicle functions are normal. If the device is hardwired or you find exposed wiring, stop, don't cut, because you could damage systems or destroy evidence. Troubleshooting tip: if a signal persists, power cycle the vehicle and rescan, and if still present, call a professional or police for safe resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.